your pajamas.
This is Jayden Santa.
Merry Christmas. How are you? I know you can be
Jayden!
Let's look at Mommy. Take a picture.
Jayden!
Merry Christmas.
Jayden! Jayden!
Can you give Santa a hug?
Jayden, can you give Santa a hug?
I don't know.
Gift for you.
It's almost our turn.
Welcome to the North Pole. I'll give that.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, Santa.
Come, Jayden! Jayden, did Santa come?
It might fit.
Did Santa come? What's under the tree? Tree? But what's there?
Just let him. Right below. Kitchen's right there. Doesn't even know he's there.
Oh, he's looking at the
Oh, there's
the reflection of the tree in the window. That's so funny to Jayden. I see the tree. I see it. What? Did Santa Claus come to Jayden? Come here. What are those? What did Santa Claus bring Jayden? Crayons and markers? Jayden, what is this? Jayden, what did Santa bring you?
How did he not
Did you get
notice
him?
that?
Did you hear him go? JJ, what is that?
Jayden, look at.
Wow.
Wow, Jayden!
You must be a very, very good boy. He's making this breakfast. JJ, do you have your own kitchen?
JJ, in this part.
Show Mama. Show Mama what Santa brought you. Wow.
Jayden!
Where are you going?
Getting my phone charger from the car. Second date picture.
Oh.
Jayden. This is from your daddy. Jayden. Whoa!
You want something with my plate?
Jayden, can you open it?
You open the paper?
Paper off.
Let him do it. Oh, no.
A hip hop bear? Hip hop baby?
The jingle bells.
That's my pod. Watch me dance to Jingle Bells.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Wait
his
a
favorite
minute.
song.
Oh, that's Riot.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. What? Jayden, what's here? Let's do some. Jayden. It's from your daddy. Hard to filming. Jayden, can you stack it?
Very nice.
Oh, I found the mark. I'm excited to put it.
Where does this one go?
There's a black and white battery.
Look at this one.
See that clock tower?
couple other things. Should be over there somewhere.
Yeah, I saw it.
Jayden, what about this one? Where's Robin's popcorn tin? Where does that one go?
Jayden, here you go. Before Tracy made it. That's the,
Hey Chris, this is cool.
today, I swear. It says you get one year free. Picture of a different tower.
That is cool.
I don't know what do you want back, like old movies or something like that, you know?
Jayden.
Very cool, thank you. What is it?
That was your color?
Nope, this is a different tower.
Oh, very good.
What is it? Oh, cute.
Tracy saw this. This is going to tower that Jayden built, right?
Yeah.
You saw that Jayden built that?
Jayden did not build that.
Yeah, he did. He's gonna end horribly.
You weren't there.
These don't have names.
It's not gonna work, man. You're not tall enough. You gotta grow. Oh, he's going for it. You got it. You got it. You got it, man. You can't expect people to hold your hand through everything. Yeah. Am I gonna spoon feed you all the time? Am I gonna spoon feed you like I did with those mushy peas? This is your Emma.
Jayden, popcorn boom?
We can not get him to go boom.
Everybody, there's popcorn things for everybody here.
Oh yeah, duh.
Jayden, soup or salad? Soup or salad? Soup or salad?
That's the same thing as his Jingle Bus ear.
He helped me carry all of those.
He stacked those. He stacked those all.
Well, that one's no longer assorted. Neither is that one.
Whose paper was this? This is Tony and Lee. It's cold.
No,
The thing was all there.
What's this one? That's mine.
The cardboard thing was all there.
Jayden, you gotta stack them all up again.
They're prepared. They're prepared.
yeah, she was very. She was very. Yeah.
So it's ready for Lloyd Elegant. Okay.
Let's go this side. Yeah, I'm ready for it.